Are you tired of going to expensive repair shops for those annoying scratches on your car? What if I told you that the solution is in your bathroom cabinet, and it's toothpaste? Today, I'll show you how to easily and cheaply remove small scratches at home. We'll not only cover the toothpaste trick but also a few other simple methods that actually work. If you want your car paint to stay shiny, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The toothpaste trick. The ultimate DIY fix. Alright, let's get right into the main event, the toothpaste trick. This is hands down one of the most popular and easiest car hacks out there, and it's perfect for those pesky light, surface level scratches. Step 1. You need to clean the area. Grab a microfiber towel and some car soap, or even just some warm water, and make sure the scratch and the area around it are completely clean and dry. Any dirt or debris will just make things worse. Step 2. Now for the star of the show. The type of toothpaste you use is super important. You want a non-gel, whitening toothpaste. Why? Because these toothpastes contain tiny, mild abrasives. Think of them like super fine sandpaper. They gently buff away the thin, scratched layer of your car's clear coat. Step 3. Apply a small dollop of toothpaste directly onto the scratch. You don't need much. Now, grab a clean, soft cloth. A microfiber cloth works best. Step 4. Start rubbing the toothpaste into the scratch. Use a circular motion and apply light to medium pressure. You'll want to rub for about 30 seconds to a minute. You should actually see the scratch start to fade as you do this. It's kind of magical. That's about a minute. Now, grab another clean microfiber cloth and wipe away the excess toothpaste. Look at that. The scratch is almost completely gone. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this method. Pros. It's incredibly cheap. It's super fast and easy. The materials are readily available. Cons. It only works on light, surface scratches. If you can feel the scratch with your fingernail, this probably won't work. It's not a permanent fix. It might need to be reapplied over time. So, if you've got a minor scratch, give this a try before you spend a dime on anything else. Other easy DIY scratch removal methods now. What if the toothpaste trick isn't quite cutting it? Or maybe you have a different type of scratch? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are a few other affordable DIY methods for removing scratches. 1. Baking soda paste. This is a fantastic alternative to toothpaste. It works on the same principle of mild abrasives. You just need to mix equal parts baking soda and water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the scratch using a microfiber cloth and rub it in gently with a circular motion. Wipe it clean and check your results. The pros are similar to toothpaste. It's cheap and easy. The con is that it can be a bit more abrasive, so be careful not to rub too hard or you could cause more damage. 2. Scratch removal pens. These are pretty popular and you can find them at any auto parts store. They contain a clear resin that fills in the scratch and hardens, creating a smooth surface. It's a quick fix that makes the scratch less visible. Pros. Easy to apply. Fills the scratch, offering a more durable fix than toothpaste. Cons. Only works on light to medium scratches. The color might not perfectly match your car's paint, and it can look a little glossy or hazy. 3. WD-40. Yep, the stuff you use for squeaky hinges can also temporarily hide scratches. This is more of a cover-up than a removal. The oil in WD-40 can make light scratches disappear by filling them in. Pros. Super fast and easy. Great for a temporary fix before a car show or sale. Cons. It's not a permanent solution at all. The scratch will reappear once the WD-40 wears off or gets washed away. 4. Polishing compound. This is a step up from the other methods and is for slightly deeper scratches. A polishing compound is a more aggressive abrasive that removes a very thin layer of the clear coat to level out the scratch. Pros. More effective than toothpaste on deeper scratches. Can be a permanent fix if done correctly. Cons. You need to be very careful not to overdo it. Too much rubbing can remove too much clear coat and damage the paint underneath. It's best to use this with a polishing machine for an even finish. 5. Rubbing alcohol. If your scratch is actually just a scuff mark from another car's paint or something similar, rubbing alcohol is your best friend. A little bit on a cloth can often wipe the scuff right off. Pros. Great for removing paint transfer and scuffs. Very quick and effective. Cons. It won't work on actual scratches that have gone through the clear coat. So, as you can see, there's a DIY fix for almost any minor scratch. Important warnings and tips. So we've covered the what and the how, but now let's talk about the what not to do. This is really important to prevent you from making things worse. What not to do? Don't use an aggressive abrasive. Never use products like sand-based cleaners, heavy-duty rubbing compounds, or steel wool. They will absolutely destroy your car's paint. Don't skip the cleaning step. You need a perfectly clean surface. If you rub dirt and grime into the scratch, you're just going to create more scratches. Don't apply too much pressure. Be gentle, especially with methods like toothpaste and baking soda. You want to buff, not grind. When to avoid DIY and go to a professional. If the scratch is deep enough to see the metal, the primer, or the base coat underneath. If the scratch is large or covers a big area. If you're just not comfortable doing it yourself, there's no shame in taking it to a professional. Tips to prevent future scratches. Park away from other cars in high traffic areas. Keep your car washed and waxed. A good coat of wax adds a protective layer that can prevent minor scratches. Always use a clean microfiber cloth for washing and drying. So there you have it, Care Masters. You no longer have to live with those annoying scratches. We've learned that a simple tube of toothpaste can be your best friend for light scratches, and we've explored other methods like baking soda and polishing compounds for slightly different situations. I want you to give that toothpaste trick a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Did it work for you? What kind of car did you try it on? Your feedback helps everyone in our community. If this video saved you a trip to the body shop, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy car care hacks. And don't forget to check out our other videos right here on your screen for more tips to keep your car looking and running its best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.